Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about microprocessor controlled relay. So as earlier we have discussed with a number of relays, and those are nothing but just a analog controlled relay basically. But these are nothing but computer based control relay. So nowadays everything is automated in power system. So these relays are very play a very vital role in our today's power system or smart grid transmission system basically. So we'll understand the basic principle of this microprocessor based relay, or we will take the example over static relay as well. So you can see over here the number of blocks are given. So we'll understand what are the function of these blocks. So over here the first one block is our converter, that is AC to DC or AC DC converter, we can say that. If we are giving the auxiliary input over there, then we if we are available over here with AC supply, then our devices require DC supply. So this converter will behave like a rectifier, so that will nothing but convert AC into DC. Okay, so if we are available with DC over here and our devices are operating on AC, then it will become an inverter, so it will convert into DC as well, right? So basically these devices are DC controlled devices, so we are converting AC into DC, so it will behave like a rectifier. Then the second unit, this supply is given to every circuit. You can see this is given to our tripping circuit, given our 280D converter. The same one is given to our current and voltage suppression, right? And the same way it is also given to our these devices. Okay, indication and signaling devices. So this is the main function of our converter device. Now see this the again one of the important thing is our A to D converter, which convert to analog into digital conversion. So we are giving the AC supply over here, that will analogically processed, where it is conditioned. If the level of voltage is low, then it is increased or amplified, we can say. Then it is fed to our A to D converter as well. Well, we can say the AC supply is given terms in voltage and current. So current and voltage supervision will take over here in this block. So this signal is fed directly to our digital signal processing. If the signal is analog, then firstly it is converted to digital and then fed to our digital signal processing unit, right? And again, these relay interface, we can say we are here with the number of relays, and these are connected with the digital input. So we are giving numbering over there like 1 2 3 4 and all that. So digital numbering, we can putting the on the relay, and that relay interface is directly controlled by the digital signal processing or fed by the digital signal processing. Same way, digital signal processing are further connected with the tripping circuit and indication and signaling. Once it will get the signal from the relay interface, then it will send the signal to tripping circuit. However, if there is a fault, then the tripping circuit will be closed and it will send to the signal our circuit breaker. So these are the signal toward the circuit breaker, right? So this is nothing but microprocessor based static relay. So what are the advantages of this microprocessor based relay? Because we know that microprocessor based relays are processing unit, including basically microprocessor, and nowadays microprocessor used for protection, fault recording, fault locating, data monitoring, digital relay, and programmable microprocessor based relay have the following superior features, we can say that, including all these features like fault locating, data monitoring, fault recording, or several other functions. It has several programmable feature as well, and these include ability to combine a large number of protective and monitoring functions. So it will handle these two functions very efficiently. And measured value of variable are processed digitally by microprocessor, and they have a high level of flexibility because different protective functions can be freely selected and allocated to various relays by the software. The memory of relay enables to relay remain values responsible for tripping time taken by the relay as well. So memory in the relay function plays a very important role because it retains the value or it is responsible for tripping and time taken by the relay, etc. Speed, if we're talking about the speed, high speed relays are available for line protections and they use microprocessor. Okay, earlier design of analog processor, they include the manual operation and very slow speed, but these microprocessor are very quick in making decisions and very high speed available with the line protections, and they are user friendly yet highly capable. Microprocessor based relay are easy to apply, operate and easy, and they are highly capable, so we can say. If we're talking about the reliability, these are very reliable because increased reliability due to self-checking microprocessor based relay check itself the circuit, power supply and memories, and this improves the reliability of the relay. So we can say that microprocessor based relay over and over have a large of advantages in comparison to our analog relays. Thank you very much. This is all about the microprocessor based relay. Stay tuned with us for more videos on the relay. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.